Judge Boyd asked one simple question. What's your dream job? The defendant had no answer, and moments later, the courtroom turned into a brutal reality check about addiction, parenting, and wasting life away.
So that's the reason why you can't be in your children's lives right now, because you're using drugs. You're gonna have to change that if you want to be in their life. And you're gonna have to change that if you plan to be successful on this probation, okay?
Okay.
All right, so how far did you go in school?
I graduated.
All right, so what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I don't know yet.
I guess my question is,
I don't know.
what do you want to be when you grow up?
I mean, I was a dental assistant. I've had dental, but I mean, I guess I'm gonna get a job. I don't know what yet.
What? What's your dream job? Court is calling 2022 CR 1656, State of Texas versus Felicia Marie Ramon. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marcus Sanders.
For the
Blooming is for
defense?
defense.
And are you Ms. Ramon?
Yes.
All right, defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Next, Ms. Ramon, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Ramon, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand what you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ramon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. This is run concurrent with County Court Clause number 647410. State will take in consideration night mag number 655712, County Court Clause number 664546. There's to be $57 to SAPD for drug testing. No contact with Saha or Walmarts in Bexar County or Texas thrift stores. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea bargain agreement.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
State is at the plea bargain agreement.
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor. None have been filed.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a top evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and CATs 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense is charged in indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence.
Yes, state offer states exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Ramon, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding you guilty as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client understands charge against her, and she wishes to do better from now on in life. So we ask the court to grant deferred adjudication to give her a chance to not have this conviction on her record.
All right. How many children do you have?
3,
What are their ages?
8, 6, and 4.
Where are they now?
With their dad.
All right, is Child Protective Services involved?
No.
All right, when's the last time you saw your children?
A couple months.
And have you been employed?
No.
Why not?
No, I just haven't worked. I mean, I've done side jobs, but not a job.
But why not? When's the last time you had a job or you received a paycheck?
Probably like a year. I plan on getting a job though when I get out.
But why were you not working before?
I just had to work. They were taking care of me.
I'm sorry, what?
My friend was taking care of me.
All right. When you're on probation out of this court, I require people to have employment.
Okay.
You understand?
Mhm.
You need to be self-sufficient and depend upon yourself.
Okay.
Because when things go haywire, you can always say, well, I have a job, I can financially support myself. You understand?
Okay. Yes.
So how often have you been using?
I mean,
Here's the
it's been a
thing.
while. It's like maybe twice a day.
All right, and what were you using 2 times per day?
Meth.
So that's the reason why you can't be in your children's lives right now, because you're using drugs. You're gonna have to change that if you want to be in their life. And you're gonna have to change that if you plan to be successful on this probation, okay?
Okay.
All right, so how far did you go in school?
I graduated.
All right, so what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I don't know yet.
I guess my question is,
I don't know.
what do you want to be when you grow up?
I mean, I was a dental assistant. I've had I've been a dental, but I mean, I guess I'm gonna get a job. I
But
don't know
mean,
what
doing
yet.
What's your dream job?
I don't even know.
All right, that's something you need to start figuring
Yeah.
out, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because otherwise, you're just wading through life.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's a $500 fine, that'll be prorated. 4 years deferred adjudication. CATs 1 and 2. And my understanding, CATs 1 and 2 is anti-theft course.
Mhm.
I can give it to you in 2 seconds. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And when people ask you to leave a property, leave a property. You understand?
Okay.
And the bins that you are taking things from and just fleeing them everywhere, someone has to clean that up. Every time people do things like that, you need to understand that somebody else has to clean that up.
Okay.
When people litter on the ground and just drop paper on the ground, guess what? Somebody has to clean that up. So let's make everybody else's job easier by following the rules, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna want parenting classes. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide the COVID vaccination. That includes the booster. I'm not requiring anyone to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be deducted. The remaining of the hours will be deducted once you complete the parenting classes. You understand?
Okay.
proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I will reconsider that once she completes the parenting classes.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's $57 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. There's to be no contact with Saha. So you're gonna have to get your place on your own, you understand? Or Walmart's. You have to go somewhere else other than Walmart
Okay.
and Texas thrift store. Does that include Goodwill?
I believe that was the intention, Judge. No Goodwill, Salvation Army. but
All right, no Goodwill, Salvation Army. And there's a chance I may change that, but you're gonna have to prove yourself, okay?
Okay.
There's to be intensive outpatient treatment with probation, the UA hotline, field visits, random, 3 times per month. Do you have a place to live?
Yes.
Who are you gonna be living with?
My mom.
All right, don't go to your mom's house bringing drama and trauma to her doorstep, okay?
Okay.
Because you live at your mom's house, you need to follow her rules. So if she have a curfew, even though you're an adult, you gotta follow her curfew. Are there any children in that household?
No.
And Rebecca, when you do the field visits, make sure there are no minors in that household.
Yes, ma'am.
And when I say no unsupervised contact with minors, that means that if for some reason a grandchild is visiting your grandmother and she's running to the grocery store and she says, hey, I'm just gonna be around the corner for a second, you need to tell her, no, you're not allowed to do that, okay? There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. So if for any reason you can't report by Zoom, you need to report by person, you understand? Rebecca, is there anything else that she needs?
Judge, did you announce the case to run concurrent in the TIC cases?
Oh, you are on it, thank you. All right. This is run concurrent with County Court cause number 647410. Taking consideration the following cause numbers: NIMAG number 655712, County Court cause number 664546. All right, is there anything, Ms. Ramon, that you need from me?
No.
Just a quick clarification for the court. The county court number that is going to be run concurrent with this matter
Mhm.
has not been taken care of yet.
Okay. All right, the court understands.
I am not the attorney on that matter. I have spoken with the attorney and he is going to get on that. So I just want to make sure that probation doesn't hurt my client for still being incarcerated while that case is.
Oh, no, they will not. And I will tell you, anytime that a motion to revoke is filed, I actually read through the entire motion to revoke. I just don't sign.
Okay, fair enough, Your Honor.
All right.
And then on the booster matter, I believe they're asking for 2 boosters now. So is that 1 or 2 that my client will need to take? 2?
A full regiment.
Fair enough. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ramon, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank
And
you.
Rebecca, can you see, I know there's a wait list in felony drug court, but could you see maybe she could be considered for that?
So you want to add the felony drug court on to the conditions?
Because I actually think that would be a better placement for her, but let's just see if they're available. They have a wait.
What do you think? Was this the wake-up call the defendant needed, or should the court have been tougher? Comment below and subscribe for more real courtroom drama and Judge Boyd cases every week.